That's it. You are extremely grounded. Grounded for group of nines. Gianna, group of R's.
Gianna, group of R's. Five-na, group of nines.
Five-na, group of nines.
H, group of exclamation marks.
H, group of exclamation marks. Group of dollar signs. Let's move on to the glitches. Oh. No you don't, we just said those voice glitches. And now? Go ahead. Get fat.
Oh, nothing, nothing.
Oh. No, you have lost your mind. Do you know what that means?
G, group of R's, group of R's, group of R's.
Yeah.
Washington. Yeah. Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
Happy 4th of July. Yeah.
Happy 4th of July. Yeah.
Oh no. Here they come.
Whoa. What in the name of God are you doing?
Oh, nothing, Mommy, nothing.
Hey. Why do you have the Joey and Jennifer voices? We banned them from the Plotagon world. That means you are extremely grounded. Happy with that?
Why?
Same for you, horrid Henry.
No.